Are you guilty of having too many tabs open despite best efforts to limit the number of tabs that you have open? Well, it's okay because Google has seen that issue and they've decided to help. So through Google Chrome, their browser service that they have, they've actually fixed it where now the tabs that you have open that you aren't using will go to sleep, right? And the reason why this is good for you is because having too many tabs open actually drains the performance of your computer, okay? So this is a great feature to have, and that's why they tell you don't have too many tabs open, is because it slows down your computer. Again, now we're in better territory. However, there's one problem with that, and that is if you're uploading stuff, okay? It doesn't matter what you're uploading, but if it's a longer file that, the computer is going to be on for a while, like for me, I upload episodes such as this overnight, right? I like to bulk upload everything and then take care of it once it's in the cloud. But through this, right, the way this works with Google Chrome is that it reads those tabs as inactive, and therefore, if I leave it on overnight and come back in the morning, all of a sudden, it's not uploaded because the tab will have gone to sleep. It's not very good for me. So how do we fix it? Well, here's how we fix it. We go into Google Chrome and we go into the preferences. And then we go into performance. And there you'll see this option, always keep these sites active, okay? And you will click add. And you will type in or paste in whatever the websites that you want. So for example, youtube.com, right? That's a website, no matter what, I want it to keep the tab open, and you add as many as you need to. So for me, it's Google Drive, it's YouTube, Facebook, the business management side of it, Vimeo, Anchor, all that good stuff, just these websites where I go to upload stuff. But as I said, you can pick and choose and things like that, but that's how you do it. So I do hope this tremendously helps, because for a while it was a nightmare for me where I was like, wait, what is happening? Why aren't things uploaded? And then I figured it out. So hoping to save you that same headache.